Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can stake Solana token on Exodus wallet. So there's a few ways where you can access the staking. One is to go straight on Solana, click on it, and there you will see stake option. Now, another way is to go ahead and click the fourth button in the right, and from here click on staking. Now you choose Solana, and here is some staking rewards. So basically, staking allows you to earn SOL. Rewards arrive about every 2 days. And first, of course, you need to go ahead and buy Solana. And after this, you will be able to see this option where you need to go ahead and choose earn staking rewards. As you can see, you can go ahead and stake your Solana, and then you will be able to unstake it whenever you want it. Just make sure to leave a little bit of Solana for unstake fees, but the fees are really low. So after this, you will see this option. It's basically a network fee. As you can see, it's really low. And then remaining balance, and you just, if you want to go ahead, enter the amount and click stake SOL, and that's it. After this, it will be staked and you will earn Solana. So if this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.